Transfer, definition, transfer in a sentence, transfer pronunciation, transfer meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of transfer. Transfer. Tran-sfer. Transfer. Transfer as a verb means to move from one place to another or to change routes. Common usages in academic writing: to transfer money, to transfer data, to transfer to a new role, to transfer heat. Example sentence: transfer, verb, the data was transferred from my computer onto the server. The common academic writing variation is transferable, adjective. The file is local and not transferable to a disk nor to another computer. Please write a sentence using transfer in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of transfer, the meaning of transfer, and transfer example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.